Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4 here in rainy Fort Myers. I have a tin roof, a metal roof, on the roof of my studio, particularly because we wanted the studio to match the way the house looks, and the house has a metal roof. And it's been storming on and off, so you might hear a little bit of pitter-pattering above. And if I do, I apologize if it is annoying. But I wanted to come in here and try this. I'm falling asleep last night, and I've got YouTube going, and I'm looking at things. And when I opened my eyes, there was this Spanish fellow, and he was doing some really cool things over a swipe. And I apologize. If I can find him, I'll put him in the description box. But I tried to go back and find him again in the particular thing I was watching, and I could not. But I will definitely keep exploring. But what he did is he laid down colors and did a swipe, which is what I'm going to do. And then he took a plastic lid like this one, and he sprayed the perimeter of it with WD-40. Now, you know that this girl, which I got out of Rick's garage, you know this girl doesn't do much with silicone oil. I have no issues with it, but the amount of cleaning that goes with it when you can get close to the same kind of cells, depending on your paint densities and your pouring mediums and whatnot. But this was really cool. So I am going to give it a try. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it dries well. Hopefully I can clean my canvas, because I have no doubt that WD-40 has some kind of an oil in it. It stops squeaks, it frees sticky mechanisms. I tried to look at what the ingredients were, but they are not listed. So I'm going to fiddle. I'm going to play. I'm going to try to do what this wonderful, talented Spanish artist was doing. I don't speak Spanish, so I couldn't listen to it. I just kind of had to follow what he was doing with his hands. So I'm going to give it a go, guys. So fingers crossed, wish me luck. Hopefully the rain doesn't make too much noise. Oh, you know what I'll do? I'll put some tunes on so you don't have to listen to it, because I can feel it coming. Thanks for being here, guys. Let's get busy. Guys, I forgot about my paints. I need to tell you about my paints. Right here is Slop bucket paint. Just a bunch of drippings of coppers and golds and pigments and piggies and all kinds of wonderful things that go in. This bucket gets strained and then reused. This is also a Slop bucket paint. Lots of reds in this one. It's beautiful. This is the Q word, which I will miss, in the Nickel Azo Gold. Now, all these paints were mixed with my usual pouring medium, which is a big squirt of GAC 800, 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium. This is Amsterdam Lamp Black. And this is DecoArt Metallics in the Splendid Gold. I'm also using my friend Tracy Reed's swiping tools, which you can get at acrylicpouringtools.com. So, music back on, let's get busy again.
Shorter with every hour, every minute of every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. I need to cherish every moment left with you. These change the color and fall as close and then we'll break care if I could suffocate my feelings for you. And I could just carry on loving you without no trouble like we used to do. Change their colors, you will break my heart just once again. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could slow time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Shorter with every hour, every minute of every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. Need to cherish every moment left with you. Leaves change the color, and fall is closing in. Will break my heart yet once again. I could slow down. Wish I just could stop. Maybe I wouldn't care if I could suffocate my feelings for you. And I could just carry on loving you without no trouble like we used to do. Leaves change the color, and fall is closing in. Break my heart yet once again. Wish I could slow down. Just wish I could. Wish I could stop time. Stop time. Wish I could stop. Change their colors, you will break my heart just once again. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could slow time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time.